This is the Logarithm Calculator, which solves logarithmic equations with any custom base you specify. The calculator has two input fields. First is number x, where you enter the positive number you want to find the logarithm of. The minimum value is 0.001 with no maximum limit. Second is base b, where you enter the base for your logarithm calculation, such as 10, 2, or e. This also has a minimum value of 0.0001 with no maximum limit. After entering both values, click the Calculate Logarithm button to get your result. Let me demonstrate with a simple example. I'll enter 10 for number x and 10 for base b. After clicking Calculate Logarithm, the results section shows a logarithm value of 1.000. This makes perfect sense because we're asking what power do we raise 10 to get 10. The answer is 1, since 10 to the first power equals 10. This calculator instantly provides the logarithm value for any positive number and base combination you need, making it ideal for engineering calculations involving exponential relationships, signal processing, or data analysis. Find the link in the description below.